Hello everyone, I am Geneva Oco, and this day I will teach you how to write lesson objectives. Okay, let's start. Formulating good lesson objective is crucial to good teaching. Unfortunately, formulating smart lesson objective is one problem among beginning teachers. Let us learn how to do it here. Just bear in mind that objectives are outcomes rather than instructional process. Objectives are measurable outcomes statements. If an outcome statement isn't precise enough to measure whether the outcome has been achieved, it isn't an objective. It is a goal. According to Major, there are 4 characteristics of objective. First, it describes student performance. It doesn't say anything about what the instructor will do or try to accomplish. It doesn't describe course content or the textbook. Second, the objective is about ends rather than means. It describes a product of instruction rather than describing how they will remain competent. The third is an objective describes the standard of acceptable performance. It tells how well someone must perform before being considered competent on that objective. And then the last one, an objective describes the conditions under which the performance occurs on the job. Example, the tools, the equipment, environment, and circumstances that will influence the performance. In short, an objective will describe the following. A. What the student should be able to do. Letter B. The conditions under which doing will occur. And letter C. The criteria by which the performance will be judged. Lesson objectives must integrate objectives in the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain for a holistic lesson, wherein cognitive is meant primarily for knowledge acquisition. Affective domain is mainly focused on attitude and value formation, and the psychomotor domain is intended for the acquisition and honing of skills. Okay, I will show you an example of writing on how to write lesson objectives. Consider that our topic in math is all about undefined terms. Then, we will make an objective according to it. Okay, our objectives. The student should be the one who perform all the lesson to tackle. Okay, so that at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to then the following. First, we make the word cognitive domain. In cognitive domain, we use the word identify. So, we use the word identify in the cognitive domain. Then we added the topic of undefined terms, which means identify the meaning of point, line, and plane. Then comma. So next is the affective domain. We use the word describe for affective domain. the topic. So describe the point, line, and plane. Then we put a semicolon and then end. Then the last is the psychomotor domain. The word we use is sight to apply the undefined terms in real life. So, sight an objective, sight an object that represents the point, line, and plane. Okay, we made it. Writing lesson objectives is very important part of the lesson because with appropriate, clear, and specific learning outcomes, you do not need to guess nor grope in the dark on what to accomplish. Lesson objectives serves only our guide and help us to facilitate learning effectively, just like for our goals that serves as our guiding star. Thank you for watching.